podcast. Okay, today we'll be learning Google Forms. I believe you have gone through the slides and my voice notes. So once you want to do a Google form, you type in that link you can see on the screen. So forms.google.com. Once you type it in, it opens a new form for you automatically. So it's very easy to open. So one thing about it is you have to have a Google account to be able to open this form. So if you don't have a Google account, because this works with your Google Drive, it's attached with anything Google on your phone. So if you don't have a Google Drive, you won't be able to use. If you don't have a Google account, you won't be able to use it except you set up one. Okay. So how do you edit your form? After you have created a form, you can add text to it. You can put descriptions. You can add images, videos, whatever you want to add, you can actually do. Okay. So very quickly, we'll look at how do you add a question. So you can see the part saying untitled form. You can put the heading there. What type of form are you trying to make? Is it a registration form? You put it in there. Whatever you are trying to do, registration, just a sample. Okay. So once you put that in, you come to untitled question, option 1. When you click on it, it gives you the whole detail about the first question. So now you can put in the question, probably maybe name. It depends on what you are trying to use the Google form for. Is it name? Is that the question? Or how are you? Whatever question you want to put. So once you have that, you see this bar saying what type of answer do you expect? Is it a short answer? Is it a paragraph? Is it multiple choice? Yes or no? Is it check boxes? You want to put some things and just allow them to check one of the boxes. Is it a drop down? Whatever it is, you click on it and that's it. So option 1, you can put whatever you want to put, like let's say this one. If it's name, what you click on here is short answer, because you expect them to fill in their name there. But if you are to open another question, okay, when you ask another question, it may not be short answer that is the required answer for that. Okay, so that's that. So for here, you can actually copy this question and put it in another place. You can delete it when you click that delete sign. You can tap on the required to make it important or compulsory for whoever is filling to fill. So when you click, once this required is already activated here, the meaning of that is by the time your customer is seeing the form, it will put a red asterisk on it saying this one you actually must fill it before you can submit the form. Okay. So also you can duplicate this item, you can remove it, you can add description. Probably you want to put in how they should answer. You can put first name, then last name, or first name, initial, and last name. Or you can include example, name, Ola, Yomi, if Yomi is the last name. So you are telling them how to put that in. So once your customers come in, or whoever your target audience is, they see it and they know how to go about the form. Okay. You can also add an image to your form. So it brings you to this point. Let me go back again so that I can show you that part. You can see that thing that looks like gallery icon. So you can upload an image, probably to explain what you are trying to say. Maybe you are typing in question and answer, quizzes for school. You can actually put in a picture to explain whatever you are trying to say. So that's that. You can also put in video. So you can put in video in your Google form. There are different things you can do with Google form. It depends on you. You can insert your logo on it, but we'll come back to that very soon. Okay, so your image, I've showed you how to insert image. You can also put in video on it. Okay, also you can put in video. Let me quickly show you how to put in video. When you click on that, it should take you to the videos on your phone, or if you want to attach a YouTube video, you can attach it to it. You can't put video per question, but you can put it either before or after your question. You can add a session. Let me cancel this. You can add a session to your file. All you need to do is to click on that equal to sign, so it automatically opens a session. This is the way sessions appear when your target audience come in to fill their form. They will see session 1 first. After they finish, after they are done with session 1, they will click next to enter into session 2. So the first form they see is session 1, then they move into session 2. So depending on how you want to structure your form, that's what you use sessions for. You can duplicate a question. I think I've showed you that the other time. Then you can reuse a question from a previous form. You can reuse a question from a. So this is the way you import questions. You go to your that arrow down there. Okay. Then when you click on it, it shows you select form. You can select your forms. You click on this to show the forms that you have saved in the past. So if you have any question you want to import, you can import from it. So example, probably I want to use my relationship masterclass questions. So it will load it. So you can select the parts you want to import into this question. Is it just the name? Is it a phone number? Is it expectation from the training? Marital status? You can import those 3 questions. And you click on import. It comes into your form automatically. So you can see your phone number there. Phone number is right there. Sorry. You can see your marital status right there, your phone number right there. So whatever you import automatically comes down here. So you can also delete a session or a question. To delete a question, all you need to do is to click on the question. When you click on the question, let's say phone number, I want to delete this. You click on delete right here. So it deletes automatically. You can also undo whatever you have deleted. You can also delete a session by coming to these 3 dots up there. So it asks you, do you want to duplicate the session, move the session, or delete the session? So that's how you use Google form, depending on the kind of form you want to produce. You can also move questions. You can probably, there is a question somewhere, maybe this marital status. You want to move it to be under name. All you need to do is to click it, then you drag it from that upper part, it goes down, or you bring up your, I think it will be better for me to bring my name up. So you just click on it and drag it up. It's not picking it. Let me try it again. You can try it with your own phone. I believe that should work. Okay, it has even yes, it has come up. So you can see that name is there. Then after that you have marital status. So that's how you carry whatever you are trying to do. So you can actually pick up any of those bars and move them to wherever you want it to be. Okay, so you can reorder your session. You can move session 1 to session 2, or however you want to. When you click on it, you can move it from that place I just showed you, those 3 dots. You see move session. You can move it. You can undo an action. So to undo whatever you have done on the form, you click on the three dots that are on top of the form. When you click on it, it shows you so many options of whatever you want to do. So you can click on do from that option. I don't know why this one is not clicking, but try it on your phone. Once you click those three dots, okay, can you see undo? So you can undo whatever you have done. All right, so you can also shuffle your question order, like probably if it's an exam and you have your students staying together, you can do your questions in such a way that what is question 1 in this one's page is different from what is question 1. So what you have to do is you click on those 3 dots, click on settings. The 3 dots is more, they call it more. You click on more and you have the settings. You go to presentations. So from this presentation you can click shuffle question order. So the way this person will attend to the question, right? When one person is one person goes there to fill the form, the one that comes up, the question that comes up first will be different, like mixed, is shuffled. Then also from here, let me quickly show you something. That confirmation message is also very important, kind of. Here, this is what Google will show the people after they have finished filling the form, after they have submitted. It says your response has been recorded. You can edit it. You can put thank you for joining us. Whatever you let me try and put thank you. Then maybe you want to link this if you want to link this Google form to a particular group or to a particular link, a place where you want the people who have filled the form to go to, or to be able to download a book, you can put the book link or whatever link you want to put there. So I have copied the link and pasting it right there. So this is what people see after they have filled their form. Thank you. Then you can put click on the link or whatever you want to click to join. So when they see that, they click on it and they meet you where they are supposed to meet you, or they are able to download. You can put in your Google Drive link if that's where your book is, or whatever link you want to use. Once you are done, you click on save. So it takes you back to your form. You can put in short description. This form is for everyone who does. You can explain whatever the form is meant for, or whatever the program is meant for, depending on the form you are trying to fill. It could be a customer form. Clicking here also, you can change your theme options. You can choose an header, an image to serve as your header. It has a lot of pictures that you can use. You can also upload. Probably there is a flyer or something for the program, or your business, whatever picture you want to use, you want them to see at that forefront. Once you import it, you see how it will come up. Let me just click on this, just hit insert. Then you can change the theme color. Let me try and change mine to orange. You see what happens. You can choose other color from the plus sign. The background color, you can also change it. So once you are done, your font, you can also change your font. Maybe I want playful. You click on apply. Once you click on apply, you see the effects on your form. Okay, so back to questions. Back to the form. I'm going to settings. I want to set certain things concerning this form. So under the general, you can mandate the form to collect email addresses. Once you click on collect email addresses, it makes it mandatory for people to drop their email addresses. You can set limits, like you can limit it to one response. Probably you don't want one phone to one form. Like after they have filled one form, you don't want them to fill another again. So once they have filled once, that means the limitation to this is that another person cannot use their phone to fill your form. So whatever you can actually edit, then you can give respondents options to edit after submit. If you click on it, it means the respondents can still go back to go and edit the form. Then see summary charts and text responses. So can respondents do that? So if you want them to be able to have access to that, you can click on it. Then you go to your presentation. I've taught you what to do on this part. Then there's a part for quizzes. If you are making a quiz, you turn on making a quiz. So it allows you, it says it can assign point values to questions and allow auto marking. So instead of you to be marking all over again, probably if it's a quiz you made, so once people come there and they tick on probably right answer or wrong answer, it auto marks for them. So you can actually set these things to whatever you want. So whatever your settings is, you click on save to save that option. So one thing about Google Form is it saves automatically into your Google Drive. So you don't need to click on any extra save or whatever somewhere. So wherever you stopped on your Google Drive, you can see it. Wherever you stopped on your Google Form, you can see it in your Google Drive. So once you are done with your form, you can go to responses. You can select where you want the response to go to. So the destination of the response. So when you click on response, you click on the 3 dots, which is more. You're able to select response destination. Do you want it to be with an existing spreadsheet? Do you want the report, as in the response, to flow into an existing worksheet or to a new worksheet? Whatever you want. I want it to be on a new spreadsheet, so you create it. And once you are done with that also, you can get your link. Probably you want to send it. How do you send it to people? Probably on Facebook, on Instagram, WhatsApp, for them to fill out, whatsoever, wherever you want to send it to. All you have to do is to come up there. Okay, click the play sign, that one that looks like a play sign. So you can put in the emails you want to send it to. Here also you can copy the link of the form. So when you click on this middle icon, it shows you the link. You can shorten it right away. When you shorten the link, then you copy. So here you can copy that form and put it on whatever adverts you want to do, or give it to people, so once they have the link, they can go there and fill the form. Another way you can get your link, you can come to the 3 dots up there, more. You click on get pre-filled link. So it tells you pre-fill responses so that you can get the link. So you pre-fill references, then click get link. So once you click your get link, it moves you to tells you share this link to include pre-filled responses. Do you want it to show pre-filled responses? You click on copy link. So that's it about Google Form. Let me know if you have questions on the platform so that I can put you through on other things.